In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Sites effectively and create a QR code for your site. Let's dive right in and explore these straightforward steps that will be sure to enhance your experience. First, we're going to head over to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Sites, or simply click on the link in the video description. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you create a website with ease. Google Sites is incredibly versatile, allowing you to design anything from a personal blog to a collaborative workspace, letting you use Google's suite of tools to your advantage. Now let's focus on creating a QR code for your Google site. If you're not yet familiar, a QR code is a simple and efficient way to share your site with others, without needing to type out lengthy URLs. To begin this process, navigate to the Chrome Web Store using your browser. Here, we're going to search for an extension called QR Code Generator. This is a handy tool that integrates seamlessly with your browser, and it's free to use. Once you've found QR Code Generator in the search results, click on Add to Chrome. A small pop-up may appear asking for confirmation. Simply click Add Extension. This will install the extension to your Chrome browser, and you should see its icon appear in the top right corner of your window among your list of other extensions. With that step out of the way, it's time to return to your Google site. Navigate back to your site's main page and look for the URL bar at the top of the browser window. Click to highlight the URL of your site, right-click to copy it, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now with your site's URL copied, it's time to utilize the QR Code Generator. Click on the extension's icon in the upper right-hand corner. This will open a small window where you can paste your Google site link. Use Ctrl+V to paste the link into the field provided. After pasting the link, look for a button labeled QR and click on it. Instantly, the extension will generate a QR code for your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Google site. You can download and share this QR code wherever you like, whether it's on flyers, business cards, or digital invitations. This QR code will direct visitors straight to your Google site, making it easier than ever to share your content. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.